Ever feel like clutter is taking over your home no matter how often you clean? The problem may not be the amount of space you have, but how it's being used. Today's lineup features smart storage and organization products that help maximize every inch, reduce clutter, and create a cleaner, more functional living space. Some of these solutions are surprisingly simple, while others can completely transform underused areas of your home. Links are in the description. Let's dive in. Opening the lineup with this under-sink organizer, a practical storage solution that helps maximize one of the most cluttered spaces in the home. The multi-tier design creates dedicated storage for cleaning supplies, toiletries, kitchen products, and household essentials, while keeping everything easier to access. Sliding shelves help utilize deep cabinet space more efficiently, reducing wasted room beneath sinks. It's a simple upgrade that can instantly improve organization while helping keep counters and cabinets looking cleaner. And this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Moving forward with this hanging closet organizer, an easy way to create extra storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. The multi-shelf design hangs directly from a closet rod, providing dedicated compartments for clothing, shoes, towels, bags, and accessories. By keeping items visible and organized, it helps reduce clutter while making everyday essentials easier to find. It's especially useful in apartments, dorm rooms, and smaller homes where closet space often feels limited, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. Now, taking closet organization a step further, this expandable closet tension shelf rod helps unlock valuable storage space that's often left unused. The adjustable design fits wardrobes, cupboards, closets, and cabinets, while creating an additional shelf for folded clothing, storage bins, kitchen supplies, and household essentials. Installation typically requires no drilling, making it renter-friendly and easy to reposition when needed. It's a simple storage upgrade that can increase organization without major modifications, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Right after that comes these Stair Baskets, a clever storage solution designed to make everyday tidying much easier. Built to sit securely on staircase steps, they provide a convenient place for items that need to be carried between floors later. Books, toys, clothing, mail, and miscellaneous household items can all stay organized instead of being left scattered throughout the home. It's a simple concept that helps reduce clutter while making better use of often overlooked staircase space, and this usually sells for around $25 to $60. Moving to organization upgrades, these bamboo drawer dividers help transform messy drawers into neatly organized storage spaces. The expandable design adjusts to fit different drawer sizes while creating custom compartments for clothing, kitchen utensils, office supplies, cosmetics, and other essentials. By keeping items separated and easy to locate, they help eliminate clutter and save time during daily routines. The natural bamboo construction also provides a cleaner and more attractive appearance throughout the home, and this usually sells for around $20 to $45. Next up is this shoe organizer, a practical storage solution that helps keep closets, entryways, and bedrooms far more organized. Instead of leaving footwear scattered across the floor, it creates dedicated storage that keeps shoes visible, accessible, and neatly arranged. The space-saving design helps maximize available storage while reducing clutter in high-traffic areas of the home. Whether storing everyday footwear or a larger collection, it helps maintain a cleaner and more functional living environment, and this usually sells for around $20 to $60. Now, bringing storage and display space together, this open-back decorative cube storage organizer offers a versatile way to organize everyday items. The open cube design provides dedicated spaces for books, storage bins, decorative accents, plants, and household essentials while maintaining an open appearance. Because it's accessible from both sides, it can also function as a room divider in apartments and open concept spaces. It's a flexible furniture piece that works well in nearly any room, and this usually sells for around $40 to $120. And helping create a cleaner and more organized workspace, this under-desk cable management tray mounts beneath a desk to keep cables hidden from view. It provides dedicated storage for power strips, charging cables, adapters, and other electronics that normally create visible clutter. By moving cords off the desktop and floor, it instantly improves the appearance of home offices, gaming setups, and workstations. It's a simple upgrade that can make a surprisingly noticeable difference, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. For anyone running out of closet space, this Clothes Rack Load 450 provides a sturdy and highly practical storage solution. The heavy-duty design offers generous hanging space for clothing while also providing room underneath for shoes, storage bins, and accessories. Built to support substantial weight, it helps keep garments organized and easy to access without overwhelming existing closets. It's particularly useful for apartments, dorm rooms, laundry areas, and growing wardrobes, and this usually sells for around $50 to $150. Moving on with this fireproof file organizer with lock, designed to help protect important documents while keeping them neatly organized. The fire-resistant construction provides added security for passports, certificates, legal paperwork, financial records, and other valuables. Multiple compartments help separate different document categories, while the locking mechanism adds another layer of protection. It's a practical solution for reducing paperwork clutter while keeping critical records secure, and this usually sells for around $30 to $100. Found something that's perfect for your home so far? You'll find links to every product in the description below. Continuing on, this elegant sliding tray makes heavy appliances much easier to access without lifting or dragging them across countertops. Designed for coffee makers, blenders, air fryers, and other bulky appliances, it slides smoothly forward whenever needed and tucks neatly back afterward. This helps protect countertops from scratches while improving convenience during daily use. It's a simple addition that can make kitchen organization feel far more efficient, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Now, keeping things practical, this large dish drying rack helps maximize drying space while keeping kitchen counters organized. Multiple sections provide dedicated areas for plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and cookware, allowing everything to dry efficiently after washing. The elevated design promotes airflow while helping water drain away from dishes more effectively. For busy households that regularly wash large loads of dishes, it creates a cleaner and more organized kitchen workspace, and this usually sells for around $30 to $80. Right after that comes this dish brush with soap dispenser, a convenient cleaning tool that combines scrubbing and soap dispensing into one simple design. Just fill the handle with dish soap and dispense it as needed while cleaning plates, cookware, utensils, and kitchen surfaces. This eliminates the need to constantly reach for a soap bottle during washing. It's a small upgrade that helps simplify kitchen cleanup while reducing mess around the sink area, and this usually sells for around $8 to $20. Shifting over to bathroom safety, this non-slip bathtub mat helps create a more secure surface while showering or bathing. The textured top provides additional grip, while strong suction cups help keep the mat securely positioned during use. It also creates a more comfortable standing surface compared to bare tubs. Suitable for households with children, adults, and seniors alike, it's a practical addition that improves both comfort and confidence in the bathroom, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. Making better use of wall space, this coat rack wall mount provides convenient storage without occupying valuable floor area. Multiple hooks create dedicated spots for coats, hats, bags, keys, towels, and other essentials that often create clutter. The wall-mounted design helps keep entryways, mudrooms, bedrooms, and hallways more organized, while ensuring frequently used items remain easy to access. It's a simple storage solution that delivers noticeable improvements in everyday organization, and this usually sells for around $15 to $50. Helping keep workspaces organized, this 3-drawer mobile file cabinet provides dedicated storage for documents, office supplies, and essentials. Multiple drawers make it easier to separate paperwork while keeping important items within reach. Built-in wheels allow the cabinet to move easily when needed, making it adaptable to changing workspace layouts. Whether used in a home office, study area, or professional environment, it helps reduce clutter and improve organization, and this usually sells for around $60 to $180. Continuing with organization, this vertical magazine file holder helps keep desks, shelves, and workspaces neat while making documents easier to access. The upright design provides storage for magazines, binders, notebooks, envelopes, folders, and supplies without taking up excessive space. Clear construction keeps contents visible, helping reduce time spent searching for important materials. It's a practical solution for maintaining a cleaner and more organized office, classroom, or study environment, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. For flexible storage throughout the home, these cardboard storage bins boxes provide a simple and affordable organization solution. They can be used for clothing, toys, seasonal decorations, office supplies, craft materials, and many other household items. The lightweight design makes them easy to move, while their stackable shape helps maximize storage space. Whether placed on shelves, inside closets, or under furniture, they help keep belongings organized and out of sight. And this usually sells for around $15 to $50. Adding some organization to personal care collections, this Cologne Organizer for men provides a dedicated display for fragrances and grooming products. Multiple tiers help keep bottles visible, accessible, and neatly arranged instead of scattered across countertops or shelves. The elevated design also creates a cleaner presentation while maximizing available storage space. Whether you own a few favorite scents or a larger collection, it helps maintain a more organized and attractive setup, and this usually sells for around $20 to $60. Wrapping up the list with a surprisingly useful kitchen tool, this pan scraper helps remove stuck-on food without damaging cookware surfaces. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver around corners and edges, helping clean pots, pans, baking dishes, and cast iron cookware more effectively. Unlike metal tools, it reduces the risk of scratching many cooking surfaces during cleanup. It's a simple gadget that can make washing dishes quicker and less frustrating, and this usually sells for around $5 to $15. And that's our lineup of smart storage and organization finds designed to help maximize space, reduce clutter, and make everyday living a little more efficient. If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find links to everything featured down in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon finds and space-saving solutions.